Good evening. Change the mass airflow sensor. I think this thing's a 05. I don't know. I'll put a description down below. I'm running kind of peaked every once in a while, so I figure change this out. And you're going to need a security bit set like this. It's a T20 I'm using. It's got a little hole in the center. I'll get my arm out of the way. All it is 2 screws. I bought this same sensor before, but I lost it. I want to save the old factory ones. I think it is a factory. It's need clean, but I think this is around $12. I think it was. I'm out here working in the dark. Chimes in the background. These are my grandmother's. Wind's blowing. Pretty cold out. Just like that. That's all there is to it. Thank y'all for watching.